Whoa, now that's a big hiccup.
Yeah, he's been doing that all morning.
Sheriff Lewis says that a great way to get rid of hiccups is to have someone scare them out of you. Yikes!
Hey, Clifford, it's us.
Come on out, Clifford.
Hi, guys.
We heard about your hiccups, big guy.
Everyone has heard about them.
It's so strange. I've never had the hiccups before.
The hiccups are nothing. I get them all the time.
You do?
Well, I had them once when I was a puppy. At least that's what Mrs. Diller said.
That was a long time ago.
Emily Elizabeth says they'll go away on their own. I just have to be patient.
Ooh!
Oh, hi, T-Bone.
Did I scare you, Clifford?
Not really.
Are you sure? Because Sheriff Lewis says that sometimes you can scare the hiccups away.
Really? Well, maybe I was a little scared.
Wow. Hey!
I guess not. But thanks for trying, T-Bone.
Forget scaring the hiccups away. I know how to get rid of them.
You do?